Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook wood-fired pizza. Begin by building a strong fire in your wood-fired oven using small pieces of well-seasoned hardwood. Allow the flames to heat the oven dome and cooking surface to around 900 degrees Fahrenheit, which will take about 1 hour. This intense heat is crucial for achieving that characteristic crispy crust and perfectly cooked toppings. Maintain a steady flame throughout your cooking session for consistent results and delightful pizzas. With your oven roaring hot, it is time to prepare your pizza base. Gently stretch a fresh dough ball by hand, creating a 10 or 11-inch circle, leaving a slightly raised edge for the crust. Apply a light, even layer of quality tomato sauce and scatter fresh mozzarella cheese, perhaps adding a few fresh basil leaves. Remember, less is truly more in a wood-fired oven. This prevents sogginess and ensures all your ingredients cook perfectly and evenly. A swift, confident launch is essential. Lightly dust your pizza peel with flour or fine semolina to ensure a smooth transfer. Quickly slide your prepared pizza onto the peel. Then, in one fluid motion, slide the pizza off the peel and directly onto the hot oven floor. This quick movement is vital to prevent the dough from sticking and to initiate immediate cooking of the crust. Your pizza will cook incredibly fast in the high heat, often in just 90 seconds. After about 20 seconds, use your turning peel to rotate the pizza 1/4 of a turn. Continue rotating it every 20 to 30 seconds, ensuring the crust browns evenly all around. Keep a close eye on the bubbling cheese and developing char on the crust edges for perfect doneness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.